Panung thak. Lasadian. Nào thế thôi. Thôi con. Ala lang no man. Black beauty ko kala hello ke ha. Masa. La je klang le lo. Klang le ke black beauty kali neli bang. Lang lang. Nào thai nu dia. So from this place, the main town area, that the section of people that they call themselves as Karbi, the main area of the valley, it starts from here. You can see the area, how much developed or not. Every year they celebrate Zonal Karbi Youth Festival. This is the entrance gate that they held in this year 2024. So the town area, which is called Dolamora, it starts from here. You can see one shop at the beginning of from one place. So here is the market area. So this place is called Dolamora, where the ongoing Dolamora town is seeking by the people of this place. Here the placard shows that poor people do not need town. You can see here only one or two vehicles parked here. Some Karbi movie poster banner here. You can see this. Also, you can see the signboard is written here, Dolamora Bazaar. In the main place of Dolamora, only one private school is located here, Atur Shishu Nikatan. On the other side of the road, there is an office which is called the Congress Office. According to their thoughts, that this is the house or the richer person. This is the house. There you can see office of the Dolamora Municipal Board. This is the office of the Dolamora town. Here you can see it is written, "We won't settle in town." The placard tells or shows that the poor people, they don't want town or they don't want to live in town. After a long walk, the protesters got tired, and you can see here all the people. There you can see one bus coming from the headquarters of the district. And in Dolamora, there are only 4 buses at present. This is the view of the place Dolamora and its market area. From here, a little higher place, you can see the Dolamora town, whether it's town or not. Hi, though people are getting tired after they do not meet the official of the Dolamora town in the office, they are now going or heading towards the town chairman house. Whether the town chairman will be available in his house or not, let's see, okay? Yeah. Maternity estate. Oh. In this valley, a large area or land is occupied by the tea company. The condition of the road, you can see it's so bad. Now the protesters finally reached the VDC's residence. So people are gathering here, whether they will have chance to talk or negotiate with the VDC chairman. Now they are taking rest in the entrance of the chairman. You can see all the public after reading this. On this date, it's written Town Nangne Dolamora Town Arlo Nitumdo. It's in Karbi language, so you can see people, they don't want town in this. Unfortunately, the public could not meet the town chairman. He is not in his residence. People, they are collecting and submitting the Dolamora Town Committee number plate. All these are Dolamora Town Committee plate, number plate. Though the public could read the words, but you may not understand, it's a tribal language or tribal word.